Can your marriage be saved after your husband has an affair? Discovering that your husband has betrayed you can leave you with a whirlwind of emotions and intrusive thoughts, but there are ways to get your marriage back on track. Let me tell you how. First off, the infidelity can rock you to the core. It can rock beliefs such as, I am enough. So the first thing we have to do is heal those so that you know you're lovable, you're deserving, and you're desirable. Next, you need enough time to let the pain heal. I have tons of suggestions for that, so send me a DM if you'd like some ideas. So next, you have to create a safe space for communication. And as a wife, you are bombarded with all these intrusive thoughts and emotions. So we have to get those out of the way. It's like taking your backpack off so you can create space so that you can have communication where you're not projecting your anger, frustration onto your husband. Now, with communication in a better place, we know that we have to rebuild trust. So rebuilding trust equals time plus consistency. So with time and consistency from both of you, you will be able to regain trust. Next, it's time to celebrate those milestones and wins. Focusing on those can really help change your mindset. And lastly, seek professional guidance. If you need a marriage coach, send me a DM, or if you're looking for some support, because this is a lot to handle on your own, I'd love to help out. For more tips on how to work on your marriage, follow me and we'll chat soon.